Welcome to eTutor Monastery. Today we are diving into the ultimate chemistry state of matter quiz. Are you ready to challenge yourself and explore the world of solids, liquids, gases and beyond? Stay tuned until the end to see how many you can get right and prove you are a chemistry genius. Let's begin. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees centigrade? Options are solid, liquid, gas, plasma. The answer is liquid. At 25 degrees centigrade, water exists in the liquid state. Which state of matter has a definite volume but no definite shape? Options are solid, liquid, gas, plasma. The answer is liquid. Liquids take the shape of their container while maintaining a fixed volume. What process converts a solid directly to a gas? Options are condensation, evaporation, sublimation, and deposition. The answer is sublimation. Sublimation is when solids changes directly to gases without becoming liquid like dry ice. Which of this is an example of gaseous state? Sugar, oxygen, ice, metal. The answer is oxygen. Oxygen naturally exists in a gaseous state under normal conditions. What is the term for the transition from liquid to solid? The options are freezing, melting, evaporation, condensation. The answer is freezing. Freezing is the process where liquids turn into solids when cooled. Which state of matter has particles with the highest kinetic energy? Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. The answer is plasma. Plasma, such as in stars, has extremely high kinetic energy compared to the states of matter. Which state of matter is considered compressible? Options are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. The answer is gas. Gases are compressible due to the large spaces between their particles. What is the boiling point of water at standard atmospheric pressure? The options are 0 degrees centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade, 100 degrees centigrade, 212 degrees centigrade. The answer is 100 degrees centigrade. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade at standard atmospheric pressure. What is the unique property of Bose-Einstein condensates? The options are no energy, high pressure, quantum state, or extreme heat. The answer is quantum state. Bose-Einstein condensates occur at near absolute zero, where particles behave as a single quantum entity. What is the name for the change of gas to liquid? The options are melting, evaporation, condensation, sublimation. The answer is condensation. Condensation happens when gas cools and turns into liquid. What is the term for the process of a liquid changing to a gas at any temperature below its boiling point? The options are boiling, evaporation, sublimation, melting. The answer is evaporation. Evaporation is when a liquid changes to a gas at the surface below its boiling point. Which state of matter has the strongest intermolecular forces? Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. The answer is solid. In solid, particles are closely packed, leading to the strongest intermolecular forces. What happens to the kinetic energy of a particle as a substance is cooled? The options are increases, decreases, stays constant, or doubles. The answer is decreases. Cooling reduces the kinetic energy of particles, slowing them down and leading to the phase changes like freezing. What is the main cause of liquid surface tension? The options are gravity, cohesion, adhesion, evaporation. The answer is cohesion. Cohesion, the attraction between molecules of the same kind, creates surface tension in liquid. Which state of matter is most affected by changes in pressure? The options are solid, liquid, gas, plasma. The answer is gas. Gases are highly compressible, meaning their volume changes significantly with pressure. What is the critical temperature for water, above which it cannot exist as liquid? 100 degree, 200 degree, 374 degree or 500 degree centigrade? The answer is 374 degree centigrade. At 374 degree centigrade, water cannot exist as a liquid no matter the pressure. What is the term for the temperature at which a solid becomes liquid? The options are freezing point, boiling point, melting point, sublimation point. The answer is melting point. Melting point is the temperature where solids turn to liquid such as ice to water at 0 degree centigrade. What determines the boiling point of a liquid? The options are density, pressure, viscosity, volume. The answer is pressure. The boiling point of a liquid depends on the surroundings pressure. Lower pressure lowers the boiling point. Which of these is a plasma? Lighting, ice, water vapor or solid oxygen? The answer is lightning. Lightning is an example of plasma, a state where gases become ionized. What is the term for heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid into a liquid at its melting point? The options are heat of fusion, heat capacity, latent heat, thermal energy. The answer is heat of fusion. The heat of fusion is the energy needed to change a solid into liquid without changing its temperature. Why do gases diffuse faster than liquids? The options are larger mass, greater density, more pressure, or weaker intermolecular forces. The answer is gas particles have weaker intermolecular forces and greater kinetic energy, allowing faster diffusion. Which state of matter is used in fluorescent lights? Options are solid, liquid, gas, or plasma. The answer is plasma. Plasma inside fluorescent light glows when electrically excited. What is the deposition in terms of state of matter? The options are gas to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to solid, or solid to gas. The answer is gas to solid. Deposition is when gas turns directly to solid, like frost forming from water vapor. Which of these gases is used in refrigeration as a coolant? Oxygen, helium, ammonia, neon. The answer is ammonia. Ammonia is commonly used as refrigerant in cooling system. What is the state of matter at the core of the sun? The options are solid, gas, plasma, liquid. The answer is plasma. The core of the sun is in a plasma state due to extreme temperature and pressure. Why do solids expand when heated? Options are increased attraction, particle vibration, decreased density, or volume expansion. The answer is particle vibration. Heating increases particle vibrations, which forces them apart, causing expansion. What is an amorphous solid? The options are randomly arranged particles, regular crystal structure, highly compressible, or no shapes memory. The answer is randomly arranged particles. Amorphous solid like glass have particles arranged randomly instead of in a regular lattice. What is the phenomena where a gas glows under reduced pressure and high voltage? The options are diffusion, evaporation, cathode rays, sublimation. The answer is cathode rays. Cathode rays occur when gases glow due to ionization under specific conditions. What determines the viscosity of a liquid? The options are particle mass, intermolecular forces, temperature, or all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Viscosity depends on intermolecular forces, particle size, and temperature. Which of these states of matter does not naturally occur on Earth? The options are liquid, plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate, solid. The answer is Bose-Einstein condensate. BEC forms only in laboratories under extreme conditions close to absolute zero. Why does ice float in water? The options are high density, air bubbles, lower density, hydrogen bonds. The answer is lower density. Ice is less dense than liquid water due to its unique molecular arrangements. What is the triple point of a substance? The options are solid melting, all states coexist, plasma formation, or none of the above. The answer is all state coexist. The triple point is when solid, liquid, and gas phases coexist in an equilibrium. What causes surface tension in a liquid to decrease with temperature? The options are intermolecular force weaken, higher density, particle mass changes, or viscosity decreases. The answer is intermolecular forces weaken. Heating weakens the intermolecular forces, lowering surface tension. What is superheating? The options are heating above boiling point, reaching melting point, sublimation, or plasma heating. The answer is heating above boiling point. Superheating occurs when a liquid's temperature exceeds its boiling point without forming bubbles. What state of matter exists in stars? The options are solid, liquid, gas, or plasma. The answer is plasma. Stars, including our Sun, are in a plasma state due to their high temperatures. Which property allows gases to be compressed easily? The options are high density, large particle size, large intermolecular spaces, or lower temperature. Now, the answer is large intermolecular spaces. Gases can be compressed due to large space between particles. What is the specific heat capacity? The options are heat needed for boiling, energy to change state, heat to rise temperature by 1 degree centigrade, or none of this. The answer is specific heat capacity is the energy needed to rise 1 kg of substance by 1 degree centigrade. What is the reverse of sublimation? The options are melting, condensation, deposition, or evaporation. The answer is deposition. Deposition is the reverse of sublimation, where gas directly changes to solid. What is the latent heat of vaporization? The options are energy for fusion, energy for boiling, energy for condensation, or energy released on freezing. The answer is energy for boiling. Latent heat of vaporization is the energy needed to turn a liquid into a gas at its boiling point. Which phase of matter is the most common in the universe? The options are solid, liquid, gas, or plasma. The answer is plasma. Plasma is the most abundant state of matter in the universe, found in the stars and interstellar space. Well done, quiz champions. How many questions did you get right? Comment below with your score and don't forget to share this video with your friends to challenge them too. Hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and educational quizzes. See you next time.